Tesla looks like a cup and a handle. And how about this as a small little cup and small little handle? Well, this video is about Tesla. Hi, this is Vinny. I'm going to explain about what I'm seeing in Tesla right now with the charts and with wash and rinse. So let's talk about what is a cup and handle. Cup is a lengthish, longish consolidation pattern. And a handle represent that instead of going for that longish, lengthy consolidation pattern, then investors and traders are now willing to buy at the higher price than the previous low. So the handle represent a minor or shorter term type of a consolidation pattern or change of hands as compared to the cup. So the cup and handle pattern is a continuation pattern, meaning that when price breaks out of this cup and handle pattern, then very likely price is going to continue moving higher, much higher. And because of this lengthy consolidation pattern, then usually cup and handle as a continuation pattern, it's more likely to move substantially much higher. All right, so this is a monthly chart. If you have a look at the monthly chart, then Tesla built a possible cup for about duration of 37 months. Because one bar is about a month, 37 months, it's about 3 years based. So we have 2022 until 2025, that's 3 years. And we have another one more handle here. So this handle has a duration of about 9 months at this moment. But of course that price will have to break above the high. On the weekly chart, this pattern is about 9 months pattern that is showing a cup and a, well, not very nice handle. I would presume this handle is a little bit lankish. I would really hope that Tesla can move much higher in terms of this cup formation, higher towards the resistance here. And the handle could be formed nearer to the high, but it didn't. Okay, but nevertheless, it does look like a cup and handle pattern that's about a 9-month duration. But of course, in a cup and handle pattern, it is necessary for price to move higher. That means that for price to have a breakout, that means to break out of the consolidation pattern here. Then let's investigate this cup and handle pattern from the day point of view. Well, very important, it's for the handle to be broken. That means that for price to break out of the handle. So what I'm going to do is going to inspect further into the price action of this handle here. First glance, it looks like a triangle pattern here. So that's a triangle. It's hard to draw this because, you know, sometimes when you are drawing a triangle, it's like the trend line is broken and it's not broken. So I just want to highlight that it has this upsloping higher low. With this upsloping higher low, it does gives a little bit of a strength into Tesla because each time that price moves down lower, it gets supported at the higher price. So this shows a little bit of a strength. But at the same time, we do see quite a significant resistance here at the recent high of 356. So that's where Tesla fell. And at the same time, in this handle, there will be a resistance here at about 368. So these would be the two resistance here. So in other words, if you are looking at the Tesla as a huge cup and this whole portion as a handle, the support level here would be somewhere around 300 level. I would say that it's even anywhere around the low of this handle here. So that's about $280 to $300, and that's the support level. And Tesla will have quite clear resistance, and that would be where I'm marked in here. So that's 355 to 368. So this would be the pattern at this moment. So Tesla is probably not going to go anywhere unless that it has broken out of this consolidation, which is itself the handle. And then once it can break out of this handle, then we do see this cup and handle coming into action. Now, if you'd like to know more about cup and handle, there will be a lot of resources online for you to Google that. But more important is to learn the skill of spotting for cup and handle. One tip that I have is if you do want to spot for cup and handle is to look at the line chart And I find that generally line chart is very useful to spot cup and handle pattern. And if you really can't see, always move a time frame higher like this. Then it's easy to spot that cup and the handle pattern. So once you sort of visualize the cup and handle pattern in the higher time frame, then you can go to the lower time frame, for example to the day, and starts to draw in the relevant price levels. Well, at the same time, if you are interested, let's say for example to do short-term trading into Tesla because it is ranging at this moment, then one way is to explore more into DLCs, which is daily leverage certificates. Now let me just spend about 30 seconds to talk more into DLCs here. We have SocGen that lists its DLCs in the Singapore Exchange. If you visit SocGen website, go under this underline here, scroll down just a little bit, you should be able to see all the M7 listed in SocGen website that offers DLCs. So Tesla will be the top here, and click on that, and under search you'll be able to find Tesla daily long and daily short DLCs. The top two will be listed in SGD and the last two would be in USD. Alright, come to the end of this video. Hope that you liked the video on Tesla, and if you do, let me know what other M7 stocks you would like me to cover. Thank you.